could put flour in it. Just kidding, you can't do that. Okay. Just push it. Now we're going to crack the egg to make the no. I can do no, you can put it there.
Yes, you can either way.
So now we're gonna add the strawberry into the dough mixture.
Okay, add it now, Aisha. Okay, girls, now you will get 1 tablespoon of the dough and you will shape it into a ball.
Okay, I cannot do it. Can I do it?
Okay, get 1 tablespoon. Yes.
Size as the particle.
Yeah.
It's too hard. It's too hard, mommy.
Ate will help you, okay?
Yeah. Okay. I think that's enough.
And then get it and shape it into a ball.
So now I'm gonna sprinkle some sugar on the dough. Too sugary, so it's actually very sugary. I might eat that one because I really like sugary stuff. I really My favorite thing of all is taste test time. Now we're gonna taste the results. Good.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, thumbs up.
So yeah, it's very good and I'll try it. Good.
Aisha's favorite time, the taste test time.
Be there. That's all.
It's hot?
Okay.
Good. for you.
Zombie.
Evan.
Well, the zombie is a cookie. Guys, how do you like it? Is it good? Yes. Okay, play the music.
Good.